Okay. This is the pivot. We call that the pivot. Make everything below the pivot 0. Step 1. Keep the first row the way it is. Okay, how do you find these 8 numbers? You do the, we've seen this kind of action before. So this number here, what goes here will be actually 5, -2, 3, 1. I got that from here. And you remember when we did cross product, we did this 5 like plus 6, we did this. It's that action, that's what you're doing. So this actually has a name. It's called determinant. Okay. Doing this kind of thing is called a determinant. But we don't really talk about this too much in this course, so I don't want to emphasize on it, but that's what you're doing. Next one here, you do the determinant of 5, 1, 3, -5. So this number, this number, this number, and that number. So -25 minus 3, -28. Lastly, this number here, it's 60 minus 15, so it's 45. Okay, now this one. To get that number, it's minus 25 plus 2. To get this number, it's 10 minus 2. This number, minus 15 minus 5 minus 20. Oh, sorry, 10 minus 1, so it's 9 here, right? Okay. Ooh. So unfortunately, we got some ugly prime number here. But what can we do, right? Keep going. It's not we can't do it, it's just numbers ugly, right? So 0, 0, 11, you turn that into 0. You keep this the same. You can't even reduce this because 11 is also a prime number. So what goes here is the determinant of this. Hideous. Okay, so that's what you get if you do determinant for those two. You can divide that by 5, right? Let's divide it by 5 when you get. Yeah, that's it. So you have to understand that from the original, what we're doing here is 3 times R1 minus 5 times R2. Here it's R1 minus 5 times R3. You have to understand that. Okay. And the next one here, what we're doing is because it's 11 and -23, it's -23 times by R2 minus 11 times R3. Sorry, you're putting that on the third row. Okay. So look, we're actually doing like 2 steps in each step, right? In this one, at least 2 steps.